Hey, I'm gonna teach you the next move. These are half turns, as you just could see. So the little secret with it is, you juggle the clubs, you throw one straight up, you turn around, and you catch it with the other hand. So, look at this. The weird thing is catching the club. When you do it for the first time, you want to catch the club like this. So you throw it up, you catch it like that. In the beginning it's a little weird, but once you get used to it, it feels so normal and it looks like you've done it all the time. Once you have mastered the half turn, you can go for a full spin as well. What you're gonna do, you're gonna juggle the 3 clubs, you throw one club diagonally, a little higher, and you make a full pirouette. It looks like this. Looks very spectacular. Good luck, and with all the turning, don't get dizzy.